Alright guys, this is the, what, 5th Livin2Fish. Just got to our first spot. Let's go see if we can catch them. That water temp say?
79.
That's a good one. Choked it. He was off the bank a little further. Just so you know. Nice. Water feels cold.
Yeah.
You notice that?
Yeah, 79 degrees.
What does it say? 79?
79.
Man, that's that water they ran. I don't have to measure that one, do I?
No. Probably should tag him.
Shit, that's like a 17-inch fish. You have one bite?
Yeah.
Aerator not getting any water. Huh. See that? The aerator's not putting any water in. It's just spinning. Oh, that's research. I'm an idiot. Holy shit. Holy shit, Timmy. You're alright. You're alright. We got one in the boat. We're relaxing now. We're relaxing now.
Exactly.
Even if you were only running like brushy or something. Fire at that one. That was a little. I don't think it was a keeper, but. I'm glad I set the hook when I did on that.
Little turd, huh?
Definitely makes me wonder.
Keeper?
No.
Good one?
Who would have thought I was putting this in these shorts? Tub. I did it. You don't know how many tournaments they probably have 3 or 4 fish at the end of the day. What are they doing? They're going to run to release bank and try to catch them.
Well, Alton Jones was fishing right there in Sturgeon Bay. He was fishing new net.
Not even spots.
But he was.
It's always funny they use like, oh, now they're paying entry fees, it's failing. Or it's the fact that we had a global pandemic that
Right.
destroyed the economy.
Right.
Get my hand on my reel. Thank God it's small. That might be a spot. Yeah, I don't know if spot bass.
Be a blow up right on the transition bank. Get a 2-pounder. long.
He's 13. You just pull it big, it's so hard. See if I can just throw him overboard real fast. I'm all hung in my shit. What are you doing up there, bud? 14 and a quarter. I get it, because you have to lean over. I've never been on a good live scope. I want the live scope too, but I just want to start with the Garmin and then work way up to the live scope. We can win another one of these or win the championship or something, then I could probably do it.
Championship would probably put you in the positive on a Garmin. Shit.
Hit it when I was reeling it in.
Long and lean.
He might be 15. He looks longer than that 14.
Yes, he does.
I was literally reeling in. I was reeling in and my line started going off by itself. That way. If he's 15, he weighs 1.5 pounds. Tail's all busted up. It's gonna be close. I think he's gonna be 14 3/4. Yeah, 14.5. Tail's actually like 14 and it's closer than I thought. His tail. I'll never forget watching that last Forest Wood Cup last year, or 2 years ago, last year, whatever it was. Watching the Star Martin, they were fishing right below the dam at North Fork or whatever. Oh God. The water was like 56 degrees. Spot? Nope. Large now, I think. Yeah, a little largy. When I felt it, spot. Sure is. It ain't 15. And mixed with 19 boats and Drake. In between about 3 of them.
Oh, you went in, right?
Yeah. Got one right behind Kyle Allstop and right in front of another guy. And I think we watched about 3 keepers get caught. That St. Louis Bass Club must not make it off limits. Yeah, it's the wrong kind.
That's what I get for fishing.
Black float. feel like I let you down.
You got a keeper, bud.
Got him? I did have a bite in there, I bet.
Little beaky. That's my second shaky head fish ever. Huh?
Doing the whole Drake and Truman deal. I mean, every year we do it, I'll be better because I'll have more stuff here, but like, it's so hard for me to fish. There's so much, like, you know, I'll be over there turning it up. I didn't know I broke. It's crazy that for some reason my brain right now is like,
You have one?
Give me that far. Alright guys, loaded up one fish.
272.
272, decent one. That's all we got today. Tough day overall. Sounds like there wasn't very many limits brought in, so get some solid points and we're gonna go back to the hotel, re-rig, and get ready for tomorrow. So thanks for tuning in. I know the video is in and out, a lot of short fish, so hopefully we do better. So thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you on the next one.